Artwork, critiques, Photoshop files, and reference sheets are all available on my Patreon. Well, hello there guys, something a little bit different today, as I was going to do a webcam review, but I thought instead of having a big rant, let's talk about something positive instead. So a common question I get is, what drawing book might I recommend? And I thought I'd just let you guys know what I'm currently working with. It is Figure Drawing, Design and Invention by Michael Hampton. I've got links of course in the description below, and I'm still making my way in, but in my opinion it breaks down the human form into simple shapes quite a lot like I do, and gives clear explanations on what you could do to approach a figure drawing and why you might use certain lines in certain places. The layout is clear and really visual, and I'm enjoying it so far. Plus there's parts at the back which focus on hands, feet and common folds in clothing and material. Worth a mention, as they are the three things that I get a lot of requests for more tutorials on. Plus it's not overly pricey. So guys, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I'm just enjoying this book right now and thought that this would make a nicer video to go through instead of just ranting about a webcam that's driving me nuts. So I've just been working through the first couple of chapters myself just to get a feel for it and give you guys a rough idea of what might be inside. So thanks a lot for watching guys, just a Monday quickie, and again, links to this book in the description below. Make sure that you've liked and subscribed if you're into that kind of thing, and I'll see you next time. Take care.